Today, we're diving into the YUSTDA AC adapter design for the NEXBOX A95 S905 core Android TV box. With a worldwide input voltage ranging from 100 to 240 VC at 50-60 Hz, this replacement charger boasts 100% compatibility with the specified device model. What caught my attention is the generous 6.5 feet long power cord, providing ample reach for convenient setups. Safety is a top priority, evident in the integrated features like overcurrent protection, total power protection, overvoltage protection, and short-circuit protection. Crafted with the highest quality materials, this adapter carries certifications from FCC, C, and RoHS, ensuring a reliable and safe charging experience. The barrel connector adds to the convenience, and it's especially beneficial for laptops and other compatible devices. Whether you're at home or traveling internationally, the YUSTDA AC adapter proves to be a versatile power solution for the NEXBOX A95 S905 core Android TV box. Stay powered up with confidence, thanks to its robust build and advanced safety features. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.